Hey, Butter, I've got an event to attend this afternoon, so I'll catch the remainder of the live later. Vanessa, hold it down with that wrench, little sis. I know you got this, and I'll hit you up later. Okay. Have fun at your event. See, now this is glitter. This is glitter. Actual glitter. This is actual glitter. And this is glitter paper. So I'm going to try a Betty with glitter on here, on the hair and here. I'm going to put the black glitter on here and try it and put it through the laminator and see how that works. But this cannot go through the laminator because of the beads. The slot for the laminator is too small. So we're going to try and do this again with the glitter, and we're going to do one with the glitter, and then we're going to do one with the glitter on the clothes and with the beads on the outside of the glitter, because I see people doing that too. They decorate after they do the laminating. They decorate on the plastic, on the laminating paper. What? Love you, little sis. Love you too. Vanessa, little sister number 2, round off the canvas. And have a good one, chat family. All Michigan right, Red out. Yep, and have a good weekend. Have a good weekend. I was going to go to the store today with my husband, but it's supposed to rain, so I can't go now. So I'm just going to probably lay down for a little bit, because I did just have therapy, but whatever. I don't feel like laying down right now. So I have too many ideas in my head. I want to do this. I want to do this. But I'm going to try to, do different things, because I don't want to fit in a box. I want to be different from other people. So that's what one of my problems is, because I'm trying to think too much and, trying to be different. But let me tell you, Rhonda and I, we was in a dollar store yesterday, and now it's hard for me to shop, because with seeing out of one eye, it's like I got to keep turning my head like this if I want to see something. And my neck began to hurt while I was in the store. And I was like, you know what? Shopping is not fun anymore, since I can only see out of this one eye. But we made it do what it do, didn't we, Rhonda? And we found some cute things, but we're always looking for stuff to make, to use as hair on our divas. We're always looking for stuff. Rhonda is starting to be more eager to craft. Before, she just wanted to tell me what to do. But now she wants to really actually do things. And to me, it's funny, because she went from, I ain't doing none of that, and trying to tell me what to do, and then trying to take credit for stuff that I did and saying she did it. That's the big thing right there. She likes to do that. So I'm like, we're not going to do all that. So now she's getting into the groove where she wants to craft, and I think that's good. Yep. Ruth said Rhonda got the crafting bug. She done already planned to spread herself out on my floor and do this big canvas. She actually bought some hair over here this morning for us to use, because both of us are going to do the blonde Betty Boop. But we're going to use 2 different colors, and everybody got their own style, so we definitely want to try that. But we have to get the bigger one, because she likes big things on her wall. But I need a bigger one, because I can't see. I need to do a bigger one.
I want the whole body Betty Boop.
Yeah, she want the whole body Betty Boop. For real, for real. Bando Barbie, I'm new here, but crafting is super fun. I love your work, by the way. Thank you, Bando Barbie, and welcome, and thank you for joining us today. Yeah, Rhonda got the crafting bug, and I really want to try something else, but I can't right now. I can feel myself overdoing it, and I really got to chill. But let me tell you something. I'm going to do this jewelry box thing, and since it's already done, I don't have to worry about trying to drill and do all that stuff, because this one's already done. But this is the $5 one, so that means it's a small. This one is small. Let me turn this off and get it out the way. This